Hello and welcome to the property video for 21 Hamsey Road in Sharpthorne. My name is Ron from Gibson Properties in association with LeGrys, and today I'm at this fabulous, beautifully presented 3-bedroom semi-detached family home in Sharpthorne. Really lovely location, and as you can see there's also off-road parking here, and if I just turn round here you can see people also park on this bit here, and they seem to have a friendly agreement as well, so you could potentially park your car, well you certainly can park a car in front there. So that's really good and positive from a parking point of view. And then also, if obviously you have an electric car, you can put in a point here as well. So that nowadays I know is a growing importance. So let's go in and have a look at the fabulous accommodation on offer. So coming through, if I just close the door there, you have got the stairs leading to the first floor. So we've got your bedrooms. Then coming through, you have got the formal dining area, which is really nice because you've also got a children's play area in the recess over there, which I'll show you in a second. Perfect for a little desk if you work from home to have in the corner there. All double glazed as well. The owners have really painstakingly updated and modernized this house throughout, and it is absolutely still got the charm, still got the character, but with modern day requirements as well. So anyway, first of all, you've got this dining area here. Then if we come through to the living space, or the living room, the formal living room, so more like a snug, it's really nice. As you can see, you've got a nice big corner sofa, so the room can easily hold that. Got this lovely bay window where they've got shutters in as well, just gives that little bit of character as well as that. And then coming through round, you can see that lovely focal point of the fireplace with a wood burning stove in those colder winter nights. That is perfect. From what I hear, it certainly provides heating as well for the house because it really does pump out there, which is lovely. But as I say, a charming room, and I love the colour. It's a really calming room, this room. So really nice indeed. Then under stairs storage just in there, hiding behind the curtain. I won't show you that, but that's really handy. Then, as I say, back into the dining area. And then this is what I love, and bless them. And look at this. One of the daughters has left, which I love here, a picture of the house that they're going to one day move into. And I just think that's fabulous, isn't it? But really nice area here. Ideal, as I say, if you're a parent, you've got children, a nice little area where they can put their toys and have all their bits and bobs here. So again, great if you're entertaining as well. Great if you have got little ones and you want to keep an eye on them as well from the kitchen, which is leading through here. So first of all, though, before that, again, really good use of the space is the downstairs toilet, really handy. And then through here, you have got the kitchen. So again, you've got all your mod cons in here, as you would hope. And you've got, as I say, space there for a dishwasher in the corner there. You've got space for a washing machine. And you've got in here your fridge, freezer as well. And then you've got space to put a microwave. Another, as I say, with a double fridge there. And if I just actually, I go back and stupidly, it is actually a larder cupboard in there, not the fridge freezer, because that is it further down. You've got the oven just here, and then you've got the electric hob, and then you've got your extractor fan over. But a lovely kitchen. And what I love is the addition they made as well of the sunlight as well, because I tell you what, you could almost have a mattress on the floor in those sort of lovely clear evenings and see the stars. What a lovely room this is, and what a great design for the kitchen as well, because you've also got a 1.5 bowl sink as well. Now, the garden is beautiful and stunning. We'll go and have a look at that in a second, but let's go and have a look at the accommodation upstairs. Keeping to the same style, it doesn't disappoint. It's got, again, the decor, the way they've modernised it, all good proportion rooms as well. And I have to say, there's a real special feel, which I can't quite portray on photos or video here, but it just feels, you know, when you're a child and you've got your comfort blanket, it really does feel like that here. So coming through firstly into the bedroom at the front. So a double bedroom, all nice here. And what I love is they've created the focal point of the old fireplace which I absolutely love. And they've also put shutters to the front, giving that, again, bit extra character as well. Bedroom number 1 upstairs, which I will show you because that was the loft conversion, all signed off, which is good. And then the second bedroom in here, or say the third bedroom even, sorry. Again, you could get a double bed in here, double glazed obviously as well, all throughout, really nice. You can just walk in and live here. It's that good, really nice indeed. And then look at that lovely bath. But not only that, if you're in a rush in the morning, you've got your walk-in shower as well. And all nice fittings, really done to a high standard. Again, if you're one of these people like me, you don't like DIY and you want to move in straight away, this is definitely the house for you. So, coming upstairs, keeps you fit. I'll do my best to avoid any mirrors, not that you want to see me. And then you've got this really nice, spacious bedroom into the loft. Fantastic wardrobe space. The owners have said that has been a huge plus, especially to this room. They had it really well designed. And then if I just turn around, you've got some additional underneath storage, but you've got lots of space if you want to put drawers as they have here. And then you've got 2 skylights here. I say 2 skylight, 1 skylight there, and your double glazed window overlooking the rear. But wait till you see this. What a lovely aspect. So you're waking up in the morning to greenery. And actually where the flag is there, just below, is the Bluebell Railway. Shame I haven't timed it, that we've got the sound of it going past, because it is so ambient to this property. It feels like you're one of the railway children when it goes past, when it does its hooting. So it's a shame I have missed that. But we'll go and have a look downstairs in the garden now, and I'll see you in a bit. Now stepping out to this beautiful rear garden, and we are so blessed on a day like this. I am so lucky because it just shows you, with the sun coming straight against the lens pretty much here, you can see it is a stonkingly beautiful garden, especially in the summer. If you're a sun person, then this is definitely the garden for you. We're here at about 2:30 in the afternoon, and now you will just have it pouring into the garden all afternoon and evening. So a real big plus here on this side of the road. Coming through there, we're going to have a look at this part first. So you always need a bit of dumping ground in the area, in your garden. So this has all been gated off, so you've got a bit of gate there, a bit more security, and also you can put all your bits and bobs in here. But this is what I like, and if I just open up here, just put a light on, excuse me 1 second, there you go. So great, if you work from home, you've got a separate office space, can have your Wi-Fi seen, electric, light, you can get it all sorted, and it's great to be away from the home. And if you're running an eBay business, Shopify or whatever nowadays, you have got that potential as well to be able to have your own office working from home. Or you could convert the further garage, which I'll show you in a second, because then you might, if you do any hobbies or you've got some sort of therapies you do, then it could be great as a little studio as well. But I'll just open this door here just to give you a quick idea. So great as a workshop, got power and light in there as well. So coming down the garden, I find this is beautiful. Got a lovely seating area here. So you've got your patio area, and then coming down now, obviously we've not had much rain, so this grass would usually be lovely and lush, but I have to stress it hasn't, unfortunately, with the weather, although I'm not complaining because it's nice to have the sun and not pouring rain. But here we go. So just to give you an idea of the rear elevation of the property, there you go. And as I say, lovely area, you can make things still, and again got lots of space, and as I say, loads of shrubs and plants here, so it's really nicely done. And they say as well that it's great for entertaining. And there you go, there's another house coming on the market, Evelyn's house at Hamsey Road. There you go. Coming down to the bottom of the garden, plenty of space as you can see for a little shed there, and another shed there as well, and obviously a nice child's toys and things with a slide, with again you've got here a swing as well. Now next door have done a little thing there where they put a little terrace out, because you can't see it sadly because, well, sadly it's nice with all the green, but just down the bottom here you have got the Bluebell Railway. So if you'd like to come and have a look, do give me a shout. I'd be delighted to show you around this beautiful 3-bed semi-detached family home. And should you be asking any time, any questions, I'm available on WhatsApp, or just give me a call. My details are on my profile and I'll be delighted to help. So thank you for watching, and if you have got this far, please do like the video. It'd be really helpful to me, and also do share with friends if it's not something and you just want to get it out there. Again, please do, because this is a fabulous opportunity for someone to buy in a wonderful location. And look at this with all the greenery, and no one can build behind you. So there you go. Great home, and even down to having an apple tree as well. I forgot that. So thank you for watching. Speak to you soon. And as I say, if you'd like to come and have a look, just get in touch and I'll be delighted to show you around. Thank you for watching.